Yo guys, this is Joey. Look me up, starting a new company. I got my iPad, and I'm going to show you some videos. I did make these. Gotta readjust my cam. This is where a guy shoots me and it really freaks me out.
Well,
I did make these in the UK. I just traveled around there for about 3 months with my mom and dad and stuff. So don't judge. And don't hate.
hey,
Hey!
watch out, man, it's random. Yeah, Claymore, they moved in from all angles. Wait till.
Get 'em.
Just let them get close. We're going to have to, mate, because I've only got one mag left. So is it high caps? What? High caps? No, low caps. And a mag and a grenade.
I've got some lows if you're wanting them.
Right, they're moving right there. Right, you ready? Oh, you fucking cunt. They're just there, man. They're just there. Where? Just behind that barricade. Just behind that barricade.
Hey, roll A, man. Get him. Get him. Shoot him. Shoot him, man. Get him. Yeah, roll A. Roll A. Get him. No, roll A. Yeah, good. Man, mate, we're taking heavy fire. Mate, help me now, mate. We're taking heavy fire.
Where'd that one go? I'll do the foot. Right.
Yeah.
Claymore, he's about your 11 o'clock.
Ah, 11.
Oh, Granada.
Anywhere near? But it's still wave.
He's still there behind a tree.
Fine.
He's about 6 metres back from that next bump.
You have a scout about? Figure. You have a scout about behind us there?
You want I'll translate.
There's one right close.
Finger.
Ah, hit!
What the hell? That one!
That one! No.
There you go, that.
You did only give me 2, didn't you?
That's my friend right there, the guy that just said, give me 2. I owned him in airsoft, dude. I was the guy that was shooting at him.
Sorry. Apologies.
I thought I was like a 30-year-old guy. A really good gun.
I know, but there's a guy behind you as well, mate.
Sorry for swearing. Oh, this is where my camera goes like crazy. The guy just shot me. Sorry about that. I'm very sorry. It's still like